She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it.
Hi guys, wagwan, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some coconut pineapple juice. I'm telling you, it's gonna be super delicious and so creamy and so flavorful. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So please guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing delicious recipes like these. Thank you all so much for all the love and your support. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the video. So just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Jeremiah 17 verse 7. So this is the word of the Lord. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. Yeah, so these are all my ingredients. This is my pineapple and I'm using a whole pineapple, and I'm gonna use one small coconut that I removed the shell. Yes, and I'm also gonna sweeten it with some condensed milk, and this is at least 1 cup, and vanilla, at least over 1 teaspoon of my vanilla and ½ teaspoon of my nutmeg. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut my pineapple. Remove the top part first and then cut it all the way down. Yeah, I'll just cut the bottom part. So now I'm just gonna cut up my pineapple in small pieces. You wanna cut them small because I'm gonna blend it up. Like this. So once I finish cut my pineapple, I'm just gonna put them into my bowl. And now I'm gonna cut my coconut. Yeah, just want to cut them like this. And then add it to the pineapple.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So here I have my blender, so I'm just gonna add it to my blender all together.
For more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody cooking.
And I'm also gonna add some water, and I'm gonna add at least 2 cups of water. You can also add coconut milk. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna cover it up with a lid, and you want to blend it until it became nice and smooth. So it is finished blend, and this is what it look like. If there's any chunk in it, what you can do, you can also, you know, just blend it back over, because you want everything to blend right out. So this is perfect. Now I'm gonna strain it. All right, so now I'm gonna strain it. Here I have one of these mesh bag. You can also use a strainer or whatever you have. Now just pour it in. Look at that. Take my time and lift it up and squeeze it out. Yeah, so it is all squeezed. Look at that, all that leave back. So this is what it look like after I strain it, nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna firstly add my condensed milk to sweeten it. Yeah, make sure that it is all combined. You can always taste it to your liking. And I'm also gonna add my vanilla, my nutmeg, yeah, I'm just gonna use a whisk. So that's all done. So this is the best part. I'm gonna add some ice to my glass. You can always put it in your fridge to chill. This is gonna be so good. Also gonna add a pineapple slice just for presentation. It is totally optional. Yeah, like that. And I also have some cherry, and I put the cherry in a toothpick, and I'm gonna just poke it, the pineapple, like so. And now I'm gonna pour it in. Look at that. Looks so good. I also add some more ice to my next glass that I have, and I'm gonna add the pineapple leaf. So here I have another glass right here, as you can all see, that I fill with ice, and I'm just taking some of my pineapple leaf and just put at the top just for presentation. It is totally optional. Now I'm just gonna pour it all in. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe right here, it is a must try. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. It is super yummy. Here I also have some more of my pineapple leaf, and I take a toothpick and poke it in the cherry to the pineapple leaf, and I'm gonna put it in my other glass right there, as you can all see. As I said, these are super optional. You don't have to do it, but I like my drinks to be nice and pretty and look colorful. Yes, just like when you go to a restaurant and you buy a drink and you said, wow, it looks so good, the presentation. So this is what I'm doing. All right, so guys, this is it. This is how I make my coconut pineapple juice. Yes, if you try it, please do not forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. I hope you all do enjoy this video. Do not forget to share it. Share. And also subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing recipes like these. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Cheers!